You've probably heard of antibiotics, vaccines, maybe even gene therapy, but have you heard about poop transplants? Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about fecal microbiota transplants, where doctors quite literally take stool from one person and put it inside another. Weird, right? But here's the kicker. It's actually saving lives. So can poop cure diseases? Stick around to find out. So what exactly is a fecal microbiota transplant, or FMT for short? Think of it as the ultimate recycling program for your gut. It's a procedure where a healthy person's poop, which is full of good bacteria, is transferred into someone else's gut to replace their bad bacteria. Sounds gross? Well, it's also groundbreaking. Our gut is like a city, and the bacteria inside it are the residents. Some are good, some are bad, but they all need to coexist in harmony. When the bad bacteria take over, you've got yourself a problem. That's where FMT comes in. By introducing good bacteria into a struggling gut, it restores balance. In fact, FMT is 90% effective in treating Clostridioides difficile, or C. diff, a bacterial infection that causes severe diarrhea and can be deadly. Here's how it works. First, a donor with a healthy gut provides a stool sample. The sample is processed to filter out any harmful stuff. Don't worry, they don't just slap raw poop in there. And then it's introduced into the patient's gut, either via colonoscopy or even in pill form. Yep, poop pills. Science really has no limits. While C. diff is the star of the show here, FMT is also showing promise in treating Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and even irritable bowel syndrome. These are autoimmune diseases that wreak havoc on the digestive system, and FMT is giving hope to people who've tried every treatment under the sun, but still suffer. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Scientists are now looking at how FMT could be used to treat conditions outside the gut, like autism, Parkinson's disease, and even obesity. The gut-brain axis, the connection between our gut and our brain, is a hot research area right now, and FMT could play a key role in harnessing the power of the microbiome to treat neurological and metabolic disorders. In early trials, patients with autism showed improvements in their symptoms after undergoing FMT. While it's still early days, the results are promising. Of course, we can't ignore the risks. FMT is generally considered safe, but since we're dealing with bacteria, there's always a chance of infection or other side effects. Plus, the idea of transferring poop from one person to another does raise some ethical questions. Who should be allowed to donate, and how do we ensure long-term safety? So, can poop cure diseases? It sure seems like it. FMT is proving to be a game changer in the medical world, particularly for conditions like C. diff and Crohn's. And as research continues, who knows what else this gut recycling therapy could help with. One thing's for sure, this is one medical breakthrough that truly shows the power of, well, crap. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of microbiome therapies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cutting-edge medical content. See you next time.